We can do the impossible, go the distance and climb. Mankind's been doing it since the beginning of time. We've been traveling that road forever. Where will it take them? Taking chances to win and advance our civilization. They say odds are against us. They try to surround us till we harness the forces of nature around us to create a better world, in a place that we can learn again. With all that negativity, create an alternative. It ain't about who's winning so far. It's about believing in you and believing in who you are. See, you can do anything, especially if you love it. They say everything's impossible till somebody does it.
You know, sometimes it takes an evolution to create a revolution and to bring change so that we all can live beautifully. Soar to the sky, we fly to Mars. I see beauty everywhere, beyond the stars. If sky's the limit, we go above that. We headed to the top, ain't no turning back. Angus, that's Mitchman. Takashi, see the vision in. Robert Chromian, inspiration in. Stephanie got that energy. Scott and Linda offer beauty. Love, peace, and happiness, that's JP. Role model around the world if you come with me. And if the world fall apart, you can call on me. It's a beautiful life, a beautiful night. Yeah. I see the insight, we living our lives. Yeah. I'm feeling just fine, it's feeling alright. Yeah. I'm living my life, you living your life. Okay. So we do it big, can't nothing stop us. Revolution in the air, and it's all love.
It's more than just a beautiful night. It's our revolution, it's a beautiful life. We gonna show them that their evolution's all that we know. Cause John Paul Mitchell's revolution and we ready to go. So get up, get up, get up. Put your hands